Hello Markham, Rafi here, Preferred Plumbing Solutions. I am the proud owner of this fantastic service organization. I've been in this industry for almost 20 years. I've been running this business for 12 years. And the way we were able to continuously grow our client base was to be completely customer centric. What does that mean to you? I'll tell you. When you have an issue in your home, we know how unsettling that is. We know how chaotic that is. Whether it's no hot water, or a leak through the ceiling, or a clogged kitchen drain, early evening before you're gonna have guests. The last thing you need is more complexity. Our job is to bring calm back to your home. Our job is to make you feel calm. Our job is to be transparent, open, communicative. Our highly trained technicians are ready and willing to serve you and to provide any service that you need. We take care of clogged drains, leaky faucets, broken taps, clogged tub drains, leak-through ceilings, backed up sewer systems, filtration systems, outside garden taps. We do anything water related. And we're really proud that we put so much effort into training our staff, not just technical training, but we train in communication, we train in customer service. We actually train in emotional awareness to understand where customers are and where they need us to be. And we provide upfront flat rate pricing before any work is done. You'll never be in that situation where, oh, I didn't know that was gonna cost that, or what, he never said that, or she never said that. That's not how we operate. Everything is completely transparent. Give us a call, Markham. We're ready and willing to help. We want to be your community helper.